Alright everybody, welcome back to another one of my videos. That ain't a path. There's an easier path over here. Please like and subscribe for this, and please give it a thumbs up because we could get shot if we go over here. Alright, so I'll see you whenever we get through our path. Hold on, yeah. Alright guys, I'm cutting through here right now. I'm with my grandma, but I won't show you her because she don't want to be on camera. Ooh, we could literally get shot in the back of the head right now. But I hope I don't get caught with briars. Alright, I'll see you whenever I get to open land. Everybody, look at this giant silo over there. Oh, we're about to get, there's more of them. There's like 3 of them, I think. I looked on Google Maps one time, and it looked like there's, oh, there's like a trail right here. Alright guys, there's the silo. Oh, that's our dogs. Oh, what the heck is that plant? I'm sure no one's here. See that little building back there? With a deer stand. That's why I said, whoa, look at the silo. Holy crap. Look, see that ladder is like one of those ladders that you extend up. It looks like one of them. Y'all, I'll get to you whenever I get to the next part. Alright guys, I'm over here right now. Y'all, I just seen, Grandma, I just seen like a giant underground tunnel thing. Or, tunnel, underground building. Oh, Bubba's home. Whoa. This is awesome. Yeah, I know. Alright. There's a house up here, but we can't get in there. They're burning the house down. Yeah. There ain't no way we're getting in there. Yeah, I know. Why wouldn't they burn this one? I said, and they said that the inside of the house is nice. Whoa. Y'all. Looks like dogs have been getting in here. Ugh, it stinks. Look in here.
Feeders on the ground over there.
Yeah. I don't think, there might be a way from the other side to get in there. I said on the other side there might be another way. There's like 3 other ones though that we could probably get into. Yeah, exactly.
I don't want to get down.
I will then. They don't stink as bad as when they're locked. Oh crap. Didn't realize how open we are. Look how open we are, guys. Oh, there's an open one right there. Yes. Oh crap. There's cars passing by. Go, 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 go. Go fast. Yes, they can. Oh, there's that house right over there. There probably is this thing. My mom said that some of the chemicals in here could kill you.
Yeah, because of the smell.
Oh. So like it
Ammonia
stinks.
and stuff.
Oh.
You don't need to go in.
Yeah, there ain't nothing to see in there anyway. You probably can't see it because it's so dark. Whoa. There's like feeders and crap over there. Alright, let's go see some other stuff. There's like a little shack right over there. Let's go over next to the silo over here so they can't see through these trees over here. Whoa, oh, Sasha. I thought they had like guard dogs or something over here. You know, look, someone's been climbing this. Whoa.
No.
Oh, yeah, nope. I ain't going on that one. Huh?
All rusted.
Yeah, I know. It's stable, but like that part ain't stable. That thing will snap in half. It's too wobbly. Oh, Oh, you know what'd be awesome? Is if we climbed up there, but I gotta do it for the video, Grandma.
What?
You seen that? Oh, that's Oreo.
Huh?
I gotta do it for the video.
What?
Do crazy crap.
Oh.
Alright, y'all. I'll see you whenever we find something cool. You guys, look at this trailer. Here, hold this for a second, Grandma. Oh, dang. It's like stuck to the... Oh my gosh. Yeah, what the heck is this thing? Ooh, it stinks. Jesus Christ. It's like every time you get like just like straight close to it, it stinks. But like when you when you're right here, it don't stink. At least I don't smell it anyway. Hey, look at all those feeders. I wonder how much all of them cost. You guys, imagine like a bum just pops out of here or something. Imagine a bum just pops out of there. That'd been funny. I would have jumped out.
Probably where they kept their food.
Yeah. No, there's the back of that one right there. About to go up this hill. What the heck? I thought it was... Holy crap! Oh my gosh. Y'all see whenever I get to the end of this part over here. Hey Grandma, guys, I just found this like thing. I don't know what it was. It looks like it wasn't very like tall. Alright guys, I'll see you whenever I get to the end over there. I just wanted to show you that. Hey guys, I'm about to see how stable that is. I'm not gonna get on top though. I'll just... Oh no, I'm not going. Oh god, that stuff stinks. I'm not going over there. Whew. Whoa! You see that through there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. Whoever, I wonder what happened to, oh yeah, I was telling you that last night, that the guy that owns this place lives down the road.
They can find somebody to come take all this metal and make some money off of it.
Yeah, I know, like Quentin.
Probably don't tear it down and get some money out of it.
Yeah, because doesn't like Quentin or Charlie, someone. Oh my gosh, Grandma. Yo, look at that building over there. Oh my gosh, I have to explore that another day. I might explore it next weekend after we get home from another video that I'm filming actually. I'm going to a trampoline park next weekend. Why do people... Oh. What are these numbers for? I'm surprised we don't see a whole bunch of graffiti.
Third building.
I'm surprised we don't see a whole bunch of graffiti. That crap stunk. Hope we don't die after this. Huh?
You have to be in there with it a long time.
Oh. How stable is this right here? This one's different. This one's different. Oh, yeah. Nope, that one's less stable. I'm not going on that one. Yo, one day, I'm going to go over there. What is that?
Oh, look, it's another chicken house.
Here, let's go back around this way. Yo, I'll get back to you whenever I see something else. Alright, yo, I just found another clear path over here. And this is like, I've never seen it. This many buildings in one abandoned place before. Yo, I think I found like a camper or something over here. Y'all see that white thing? What the heck is that? Alright, come on, when we get closer and closer to the road, we gotta be more quiet. For real. Look at all these bricks. Holy crap, there's a cage or something. Whatever that is.
That's a bed.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it is a bed frame. Or a bed frame. What do you call those things? With the springs?
Huh?
I said, what do you call those things with the springs?
Be a wall or something.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about whenever I was seeing that thing. Oh, good thing there ain't briars over here.
This looks like a well.
Huh?
That looks like a well.
Oh my gosh. Imagine we just fall through right now.
Don't even speak like that.
Yeah, I know.
Go way around it. Don't go up near it.
Oh, y'all, look at that.
It's caving in.
Imagine we just go, bloop. What the? Oh, I thought that was a snake for a second. I was about to say, that's the longest snake in the world. Look at that propane tank. I bet you that it would suck for that to... Here, well, let me get in front of you if you don't want to be on camera.
No, will you come here?
Yeah, look at this giant... Oh, this is just a barn. God, there's a house right there. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I am. Well, depends. It depends what it looks like up in here. Yeah, this looks... I don't know. Yeah, I want this to be my thumbnail.
You want me to take a picture of this?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, I'm about to put the camera down.
Up close or long way?
It don't matter. Long way.
Long way.
Alright, y'all, I got that picture. So, I'm pretty sure, like, the... What you call it? The thumbnail? You just gotta stay in one place. So, it's the longest part of the video. In one, like, staying in one place. Yeah, I know. I don't even know that. I'm pretty sure that's how it works.
Don't go inside that.
Yeah, I know. I was looking at what it looks like. Oh my god. The floor collapsed. Joe, we could actually get in there.
I know.
She's over there shaking her head. Oh, yep, no, I'm not going in there.
No, you're not going in there. There's probably snakes and everything else in there.
So?
That is gonna fall. No.
Yeah, I know. It looks stable though, but I don't think it is. Here.
Look through the back window of the house. There's like a remodeled. I don't think so.
I don't think that's the same house.
Yeah, it is. It's the house.
No, it's not, because that's the... It goes right over there. It might be, I don't know.
There's only one house over
Sure hope there ain't like alarms or something.
there. You're gonna tear it down.
Yeah. Well, still, there could be alarms. Here, Grandma.
If they're that worried about it,
Yeah.
there ain't nothing over here to see.
Y'all, if I get 20 to 25 likes, I'll go down there. I told you, it looks like a trailer or something. I don't know about like a trailer that you could live in, but the scary thing about, yeah, for selling chickens and stuff. It looks like the back door is broken open. Oh, look at that little thing. It's like a little shack. There's glass right there. There's a chair right there. That's freaky. That's the freakiest thing I've ever seen. See if the door's open.
No.
The floor's probably not caved in. I hope not, anyway. Because it'd be awesome if we could go in here. Is that a door? There's door hinges. How the heck do people get in here?
No, that's not.
Yeah, there's the house right there.
There's sliding doors in the back.
Oh,
That's broken. You can't slide them because they're cutting the wall. All broke.
that's the scariest thing I've seen before.
What?
That looks like a grave or something, don't it?
Probably landscaping.
Huh?
Probably some of their landscaping.
I don't know what that means, but oh well.
You know, like.
Yeah, but still, it looks like they put a coffin or something in there. This is the front of the... Here, Grandma, this is where I want to get the thumbnail at.
What is it?
Where I want to get the thumbnail. I want to get it in the front of the barn. So, Grandma, can you come stand right here real quick? Ow! Yeah, these are all
This would be a
briars.
good side to get a picture on.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Turn around.
Alright, y'all, I'm about to put the camera down.
Go back this way.
Can't, it's right here. I can get through it. I can get through right here. Ow. Oh. I'm about to pause this, y'all. Yeah, I'm about to get the thumbnail real quick. So hold it on.
What I gotta do, just hold it? Do I have to push anything?
Alright, now click the white button.
Okay.
Take like a picture or something?
It looked like it did. It kind of flashed off.
It better be. Ooh, that was close. I thought you clicked the wrong button for a second. About to say that would have deleted the entire video. Oh,
What?
you can get in the barn right here.
No. That is
Here, I'm just gonna go up to it. I'm just gonna go up to it.
That same building that we just looked at.
That ain't the same part.
It is?
That's that part. What?
That damn thorn is there.
Oh, watch your language, Grandma. I'm gonna get demonetized. There's like bottles and crap in there. All right, now I want to see these back windows real quick.
Huh?
I want to look through these back windows real quick. Cause I'm trying to make this the. Cause I'm gonna turn. I might turn in my gaming channel, Dirt Racing 18, the other channel. Might turn it into a Exploring Abandoned Places channel instead of this channel. Cause nobody's really subscribed to this channel. Ow. Yeah. Oh, the windows. Grandma, the door's open. I don't know what that was. Where the heck did my grandma go? Oh, she's right there. Yo, I'm gonna go in, okay? Yo, the door's open. Oh, there's like a purse or something. Grandma, there's a bunch of sewing stuff over here. There's a bunch of sewing stuff over here.
I can't hear you.
There's a bunch of sewing stuff over here. Yeah. They got the same carpet as... Remember that green carpet that we used to have that was ugly?
I can't hear you over there.
Oh, okay. There's like Christmas ornaments and crap over here. Yo. Oh my god, somebody used to sleep in here. Y'all look. Holy crap, I want to try and... I can't get to that room. Dang it. Oh well. Well, there ain't no way of getting in there. I can only get in that little tiny room. There's like a little tiny room right here, like the screened-in porch. I could get in there and show through the broken-in window, but I can't get to the other side. It looks like somebody's been sleeping in there, or used to sleep in there or something, because there's a bed. Ow, crap. That briar stuck to me. Oh wait, those are briars. They're attached to the ground still. Alright, y'all, I'll see you in just a minute. Alright, y'all, I'm about to run over here real quick. Someone's been driving through here. There's still tire marks. There's one pine cones I'm gonna slow down. Yo, I wanna go over there. That looks so awesome. There's like people who ride 4-wheelers or something through here. I go right here. If I see another house over there, I'm screwed. I'm gonna have to run. My grandma's back there. Oh crap, that's that. Yo, there's a car right building. There ain't no point in going over there. There ain't nothing to explore. Yeah, it's just a little water house, like my grandma said. One day, maybe I'll have me and my friend. We'll go down to that other building that I've seen. If I get 20-something likes on there. If I don't get 20-something likes, I might still go down there anyway. Alright. So let's go up to that other building that's right next to the house up there. I'll get you whenever I see that, because it's just going to be a walk. Yeah.
That's
Yo,
a
look.
disc right there.
Yeah, look at this disc thing for tractors and crap. And then
Like
there's one of those.
excavator in the back.
Yeah. Those look like one of them things off Gold Rush. Here. My dad could come over here and steal this thing. I'm just kidding. Hold on. I wonder if it still moves. No, like, you can't move it by your hand. Yeah, I know, but still. Alright. Yeah, I'm about to pause this real quick. Alright, y'all, I just got on that disc. It's nothing really. Oh my gosh. Look, there's like pottery and crap over here too. We'll take it.
No,
Why? So, it don't belong to anyone else.
whoever owns this place. It's not. Oh, that's plastic anyway. That's not.
Oh, well, I might accidentally showed your like arm on camera. Might be showing you on camera right now. I just hope I don't. All right.
Oh, it does have a station
Huh?
sign right there. Is that on this side of the road? Or
No, that's on the other side with the purple
Oh,
markings. That's all their property over there.
whose property?
Whoever owns that
Oh.
side of the woods. It's telling the people from this side of the road to not go over there. Yo, this is like is that like a carport or something?
Yeah.
So this is a whole nother house. Oh yeah. They tore down the garage door or something. Well, there ain't nothing to see in there. Alright, Grandma. The road is right there, so kinda gotta be a little careful. Just letting you know that, because if people see us, they might call the cops on us. Oh, there's no trespassing. Oh crap, there's someone's house. That's our neighbor's house right there. They might call. Holy crap, look at this swing. Yeah. Oh.
So that's chickens and all that's still in the. You know, the
That-
curtains are still in there and everything.
They even got holly right here. I think is that fake?
Oh, that's holly, nice holly too.
Yeah, get on. Hurry up. we gotta get to moving. That truck over there looks like. Oh, what is that? What is that truck's? Grandma, think about this. Any of these guys that pass by could be the person that owns all this stuff. So if I see somebody that pulls in, I'm running. Just to let you know that. Oh, Grandma, I'm going over here. Yeah, there's like latches on these doors that can get unlocked. I don't care. Oh, this ain't a house?
No, that's garage.
Oh, this is the garage that we just seen.
Well,
So what are they gonna have in there? Dead bodies?
you don't know what they got in there. That's none of our business.
And if they do have dead bodies, just call the cops on
There
them.
ain't no business.
Oh crap. Yeah, we're not doing nothing, people. We're just walking over here because we definitely. Oh look, there's like a target for a chicken target.
Yeah.
It's a plastic chicken. God, that was loud. Holy crap! Look at the giant tractor tire over here. They cut it. They cut it though. I bet you they use that for like working out or something. Holy crap! There's like a. This is the driveway.
Yeah, I'm going back this way. I'm going through the woods.
No, I'm going to see this tractor tire real quick.
Huh?
I'm going to see this tractor tire real quick, right here. Holy crap. It's a big... Alright, y'all, we probably need to get out of here right now. So I'll do the intro or the outro whenever I get back over there. Alright, guys, please like and subscribe and turn notifications on. Yeah, there's a bunch of crazy different buildings over there. And remember, if I get 25 likes on here, on this video, I'll go over down to that other building. And, alright, bye.